Hi friends, welcome back to Parnika tutorials. In the last video, I have discussed about packages. What are the mandatory things which are required in the packages such as package specification and package body, how to create a package specification, how to create a package body, how to invoke a method or a procedure or a function which is there inside the package. All these concepts I have discussed in detail for you. I hope you have watched that video. If you did not watch that video or if you don't know those concepts, I request you to go back and watch that video and come back to this video. In this video, I want to discuss how can we implement overloading concept in packages in PLSQL. So I sincerely request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. In packages, we can overload procedures and functions. What is meant by overloading? Overloading means we can define two or more procedures or functions with the same name but different signatures. So in PLSQL, inside the package, you can define two or more procedures or functions with the same name but different signatures. What is meant by different signatures is the two functions or the procedures can have different number of parameters or different type of parameters or both. Suppose let's take that you have defined two functions with the same name as add. But one function having two parameters, another function is having three parameters. As these two functions having the same name but different number of parameters, so I can say different signature, then you can say overloading have been achieved. Now let me discuss how can you define a package with overloading and how can you define the package body in SQL plus. So first I will write create or replace package name, let me give it as pack1, and then I will write function add underscore num is the function name, and then I will pass the parameters as a number, b number, and it also returns a number. So I have returned the function add underscore name declaration. Similarly, I will declare another function whose name is also add underscore name, but this one having three parameters. One is a, which is a data type is number, b is a number, c is a number, and then it will return the number. And then I will write end and then backslash. Now you can see package created. Let me open this one in the notepad. Here I am providing the specification for a package called PAK1. So how can I write create or replace package name? If the package name called PAK1 is not available, then it will create. If it is already available, then it will replace with the new one. So here I am declaring the two functions having the same name called add underscore name, but this function is taking two parameters which is a and b. This function having three parameters called a, b, c. So the name of the functions are same but the number of parameters is different. So I can say different signatures. So this concept we will call it as overloading in packages. Now we will discuss how can we create the package body for the package name called PAK1. So how I will write create or replace package body. Package name is what? PAK1. So for the package called PAK1 specification, now you are providing the package body. In package specification, you will declare the functions or procedures. In the package body, you will define the procedures and functions. What is meant by defining? What are the statements you want to execute whenever you are calling the function or a procedure? You will write in the function definition. So that function definition you will write in the package body. So I will write as function add underscore name. A is a number, b is also a number, and then I will write is, and then add underscore name function body I will write inside the begin block. Now whenever the user have call this function called add underscore name, I need to perform a plus b, and that value I want to return. And then I will end the procedure called add. Oh, this is not add underscore name, it should be add underscore num, right? I will get an error. Now you can see we got a warning that package body created with compilation errors. Now let me edit this one. I have opened this package body in the notepad. So you can see here create or replace package body, package name is pack1, function add underscore num here. Now let me end this function called add underscore num, and then I will write another function definition called add underscore name, because we have declared two functions having the same name called add underscore name. So you have defined the function definition for the function called add underscore num with two parameters. Now I will define the function called add underscore name with three parameters. One is a, another one is b, and another one is c. All the three parameters are of number type only, and this function also will return a number. So here also every function should return a value. So here also you need to write return number. The difference between the procedure and a function is procedure does not have the return statement, whereas a function will have a return statement. So I have defined the first add underscore number function, and now I am defining another function called add underscore num. So I will write is, again begin. Whenever the user have called this function, I want to perform a plus b plus c, and that value I want to return, and then I want to write end add underscore num, and then I will write end, and then I will provide the backslash. Now let me save this program, and now let me run it. Now you can see package body created. If you want to verify, let me open this one in the notepad. Now you can see we have written create or replace package body, package name is pack1, as whatever the functions declaration you have provided in the package specification, all the functions I will write the definition in the package body. So I have written function add underscore name, and it is taking two parameters called a and b are of number, and this function will return the data type as number, and then I am performing a plus b value, and that value I am returning. Again I am defining another function called add underscore num. It is taking three parameters, which is a, b, c, all are of number type, and this function also returns the data type as number, and here I am performing a plus b plus c, that value I am returning. So whenever you are invoking the add underscore num function with two values, suppose let's say that you have written add underscore num 10 comma 20, then this function definition will be executed. So it will perform a plus b, which is 10 plus 20, that value will be returned, and then it will be displayed. So, however, if I call the function called add underscore num by taking the values as 1, 2, 3, as you are passing three values, the first value will be assigned to the variable a, second value will be assigned to the variable b, third value will be assigned to the variable c, and then you are performing a plus b plus c. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6 will be displayed as an output. So both the functions are having same name but different signature. So this concept will call it as overloading. Now I will invoke the function called add underscore num, which is there in the package called pack1. So how can I write? Select pack1, then call the function called add underscore num. I will pass the two values from the dual table, which is a temporary table. Now you can see as you are passing the a value is 10, b value is 20, and then this function, the first function called add underscore num, will be invoked, and here you have provided a statement called return a plus b. So a value and b value performed the addition, so 10 plus 20 you will get the output 30. That 30 you are returning, so that's why you got the output as 30. However, if you call the function called add underscore num and you are passing three values, let's take that 34, 46 and then 50 from dual, then second function called add underscore num will be invoked, and you can see we got the output as 130. I hope it is clear for you. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to discuss your queries as early as possible.